inside first. Okay, once you go inside, this is the screen you will see. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is. This is the modules. When I say load module, you see here you have the load build. You see, I don't know if you're my point. Let me take laser pointer.
No, pointer is not able to.
Now can you
Yes,
read
Okay,
this?
now
I
What
can.
I'm saying? Yeah.
Yes.
Can you read
load
this?
build,
Okay.
load
Load
build,
build,
What is next? What is next?
load
load
processing.
processing.
These two only we saw in a separate slide. Remember?
Yeah.
And the first three modules you are seeing, right? System entities. 1 minute. Let me a little bit zoom in. See the first three modules. Oh my God. Sorry. The first three modules, right? System entities, system settings, environment, right? So these three are called master data modules. Okay. So when I say master data modules, these three, it will have master data like carrier information, customer information, location information, dock information, domicile information. I will explain you one by one. Okay. We will be seeing all these things in the application. So next is the important thing is the input to TMS. Even environment, this is where your admin activities will happen. User creation, who are all going to use the TMS, and what are the role of the user, all those things you will define in this environment module. Next, this is the input of TMS. For example, SAP sends a shipment information, so that will be received in this screen only, shipment processing. Okay, and next is the load build. This is the important load build. This is where your planning process done. Load processing is the place where you perform the tendering, execution, stop ETA, traffic, everything, accident, everything getting computed. Until it is computed, it will be load processing. Manifest processing is something like for parcel industry. Parcel is different, okay, because you are paying for one particular parcel, not for the whole truck. Okay, parcel is different. For example, you are sending some courier, okay, you are paying only 80 rupees or 90 rupees, right? So that is called parcel. So parcel in TMS terminology we call it as manifest. Okay, and next is event notification. What is event is everything is event. Okay, for example, I am starting the vehicle, that is a event. I'm reaching the pickup location, that is a event. Gate check-in, right? And gate checkout is another one. Pick, I mean loading, unloading, what I'm doing inside the location, I either load or unload the goods, right? So that is also one more event. And I am driving, that is one event. I'm taking break, that is one event. Every event will be captured, that you can see it in
Breakdown.
this event notice. Everything whatever happens in TMS is a event. And next is monitoring. This is some alert monitoring system. Okay, for example, your item to be delivered by 10 o'clock. Okay, but it is now 10:10. Okay, 10 minutes over, but still you didn't deliver, so one alert will go. Okay, so green alert, yellow alert, red alert, there are three types of alert. I will tell you once I go to the monitoring module. See, everything I will take separate sessions. Okay, you will see it in detail. Okay, financials again, we few minutes back we saw financials, the APA or everything, track and trace. And this is where the tender response will happen. Tender response, right? The accept or reject, carrier model basically. See, now I'm going to tell you, when carrier is login, see what type of login is this. Can you see? Can you? I'm showing, my hand here. What type of login is this?
Employee.
Read this. Employee. What are the other two types?
One is
Customer
carrier.
carrier login.
Carrier and customer. You're right. Carrier and customer. So whenever I log in as a carrier, I will not see all these things. Okay, I will not see all these modules. I will see only track and trace. I will see only tender response. That's all. And load processing. I will not see load build and all. But if I am a planner, let's say Coca-Cola employing some, some brainy person to perform daily transportation. So that fellow will have load build, but that fellow doesn't need to have this tender response, but still they may have, because they are system admin, your own employee, right? So that is possible. But if it is a customer, they will not see everything. Okay, they will only see shipment module. This module they will see, because this is the order. And they will see track and trace. Okay, tender response they won't see, because customer is not going to do any tender, right? Some other important modules only they will see. That is how it is. Okay, so these are modules. Okay, next, this is the title of the screen. Always remember, whenever you are in TMS, always read this. Okay, this is the title. So what it says, list of carriers. So that means this is the result page basically. So you are seeing this, right?